What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a vertical video from a horizontal one. So the first thing you have to do is to bring your video to the timeline. For this tutorial I got a video of a couple walking on the beach, and now to resize it you have to go to the ration button under the video preview. You're going to click on it and you're going to select 9.16. And as you can see, we now created a vertical clip. And now we are going to scale our video and move it a little bit to the left to match our desire. And as you can see, we just made a vertical video from a horizontal one. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.